At the 365 Training Hub, we love a new trick. Let me show you the latest in PowerPoint. Our goal here is to remove the cat from the image. Let's take a look. When I've got an image selected, I've got the picture format toolbar available. I'll click on the left to edit picture. And now I've got a new way to edit pictures in PowerPoint. I'm going to select the area here and I'll use the brush. I've selected the cat and now I can erase him from the image. Goodbye, Chesky. Now let's add something in. Insert, pictures, stock images. I'll choose this one here. Let's remove the background. Edit picture, remove background. Now that looks good. Cheers, Jandy.